Welcome to the Tetrion Primer Bonder how-to video, where we'll show you how it can be used to get the best performance out of your filler products. Tetrion Primer Bonder is a versatile product which can be used as a primer to treat dusty and porous surfaces. As a sealant, it can be used to stabilize and dustproof cement and plaster surfaces. Even after sanding, plaster and wood can still be rough and uneven. Applying Primer Bonder after sanding helps to form a smooth and sealed surface ready for painting, in order to create a truly professional finish. Simply spray the product onto the area to be filled and allow approximately 20 minutes for it to dry. This will act as a pre-treatment before the filler is applied, giving it the all-important grip that it needs. Primer Bonder is also a great product to use when applying wallpaper. Simply apply the spray where required, allowing to dry for 20 minutes, and then apply the wallpaper. It will act as a seal between the wall and the paste, meaning that the moisture from the paste will not be sucked into the wall, making it easy to adjust and maneuver the wallpaper when matching patterns. Primer Bonder is also an excellent product when fixing tiles. By priming the surface beforehand, you'll be able to stabilize the surface to give the adhesive a better grip on the tile. Once your repair is complete, make sure to invert the bottle to help clear the nozzle after use.
Tetrion. Fill, stick, bond.